Okay, today we're going to make some teriyaki chicken jerky, and we're using Kikkoman teriyaki right here. This stuff tastes really good. What we did is we added some of this stevia sweetener. It's stevia and monk fruit. We added 3 packets to this to make it a little bit sweeter. Oh yeah, it was 2 packets, right? 2 of these. And it's gonna taste amazing. So we're just gonna load the food dehydrator up. Ooh, it smells really good. We let this marinate for, what, probably 2 or 3 hours, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this is part of our ongoing project of beef jerky type stuff. We're thinking about maybe selling it on the food truck as like a snack item, but we're mostly making it because we love to eat this type of stuff, and it's like real expensive at the store, so it seems like it makes sense to try to make it ourselves. Well, you going to get that can of pineapples opened? In case we have any extra room.
Where is it?
It's up in that cabinet right over there. And if we have any room, we can dehydrate some of that pineapple right away.
Sorry, say that again.
I said then if we have any room in the dehydrator on the top shelf, we can put some pineapple slices on there.
And then even if it does catch the flavor, it would probably taste pretty good.
Yeah, it would be okay.
Where is it?
See it?
No.
No, the other one to the left.
Oh.
There you go.
Sneak a can opener?
You might not need one. Or do you?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to be a clunky one.
Yeah, that one works good.
Mm-hmm.
How's it looking? Can you see everything?
Mm-hmm. I think if this turns out good, we should definitely sell it on the food truck.
Yeah. Yeah, because we can vacuum seal some packets.
Yeah. That's a big piece.
Yeah, some other guys are smaller, aren't they?
Yep. I don't think we're gonna have extra room.
You don't think so?
No.
I'm starting to think you might not either. You gotta put those, you can't put them too close together.
Can't this also work as a rack?
That's for making other stuff. Like you can make like sweet stuff, like.
Yeah, pineapple is kind of sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean like pastries, kind of?
I don't know, like, I didn't really look, but there's like sweet snacks that you can make with that, like fruit stuff. Maybe like fruit roll-ups or something.
Well, I think we should try it. Or like, maybe we can use that and then.
Let's figure out what it's for first. And then
Okay. It smells pretty good.
Yeah, it smells amazing. So much of it in here.
Yeah. That's a big one.
Well, there's a bunch of big ones. I just been happen to be grabbing a bunch of small ones. Yeah, we're probably not gonna have room for the pineapple.
But what if we just save some of that stuff and put it back in like the fridge or freezer?
We're gonna dehydrate it all today.
Okay. It kind of looks like raw fish on the camera.
Does it?
Yeah.
That's raw chicken.
Yeah.
I bet we could probably put some fish on here.
Probably. Fish jerky.
Yeah, I bet that's a thing that we can dehydrate.
Yeah.
I don't know if we want to. How good it would taste.
I want to know what happens if you would dehydrate a marshmallow.
I think it would just shrivel.
You should do a video where we just dehydrate a bunch of like sweet stuff like that.
Think so?
Yeah.
Well, this is the last one. We might have to put some of this back in the fridge.
Yeah.
In fact, I'm pretty sure we will.
A little too much chicken.
That's okay.
How good do you think this will taste on a scale of 1 to 10?
This will be like a 10.
Hopefully.
Pretty sure.
Yeah, we don't have any room for pineapple.
Nope.
We'll have to do another batch of just pineapple.
Yeah, we can do that.
Or like we could do like 2 layers, like one finishing the layer of this, and then like another, like we could build up the empty layers, so like hopefully the flavors don't mix.
Yeah.
Then you can put pineapple on it. Make some pineapple chips. Those might be good.
Yeah, those will probably be good for sure. That's all we can fit. Bless you.
Thank you.
Okay, so the rest is going to go in the fridge, I guess. Not too much left in here, but
enough that we're not going to throw it away.
yeah. Okay, so we're ready to go. What I forgot to mention is the reason we went with this Kikkoman teriyaki is because I wanted to get teriyaki sauce, and I looked at all the nutrition labels, or the nutrition facts on the labels, and some of them had like a ton of sodium and a ton of carbohydrates. And I'm doing the keto diet over here, so I wanted the carbohydrates to be as low as possible, and then a lower sodium count is always good. So this was the one with the least sodium and the least carbohydrates, is why we picked it. So now we're gonna turn the machine on at 140 in 8 hours, and we're going. So this is looks like a cosori. I never heard of the brand before, but it had the most stars on Amazon. So there's not going to be a link on the video. I'm not an Amazon affiliate anymore, but it seems to be working good for me, and thousands of people thought it worked really good for them. So 8 hours from now, we're going to have some good chicken jerky. But we're probably going to do it for maybe 5 or 6, because we like it to be not like super dry.
Yeah, because then like if it's too like juicy, we can always put it in for longer.
Yeah, if it's not dry enough, we can always add time. But thanks for watching. More videos to come.